Here's the number nobody puts in the AI slide deck. Right now, companies are spending more on the AI that replaced a role than they ever spent on the person who had it. Not eventually, already. In the next 4 minutes, why that's happening, the real numbers behind it, and the one governance habit that keeps your AI spend under the headcount it replaced instead of over it. Start with the headline stat. Gartner says over 40% of agentic AI projects will be cancelled by the end of 2027. And the reason isn't that the technology doesn't work. It's escalating cost and unclear return. MIT found 95% of generative AI pilots aren't delivering measurable ROI at all. That's not a technology problem, that's a rollout problem. And it's showing up on real budgets right now. Case 1. One real deployment, reported by CIO. An ungoverned AI agent running on the Claude API burned through $300 a day. The senior engineer it was meant to help offload costs a little over $200,000 a year, fully loaded. Do the maths on that daily rate and the agent overtakes the salary inside a year, and that's before you count the engineer's time spent babysitting it. Case 2. The number that should actually change how you plan. The same practitioners found the difference between a well-scoped agent deployment and a sloppy one can be 10 times the operating cost. Same task, same model, 10 times the bill, purely down to how tightly the thing was scoped before it went live. Case 3. Uber's own CTO burned through the company's entire 2026 AI coding tools budget in 4 months. Microsoft rolled out Claude code licenses across its engineering org and pulled them back 6 months later. These aren't small, unsophisticated companies getting this wrong. They're 2 of the biggest tech budgets on the planet. Case 4. The bar practitioners are actually using now. The rule surfacing out of these deployments. An agent needs to be at least twice as productive as the person it's supplementing to justify its running cost. Not equal, not a bit better. Twice. Most rollouts never test for that number before they scale. They just scale. So here's the mistake wasting budgets right now. Treating agent cost like a subscription. Flat, predictable, set, and forget. It isn't. It's usage-based, and usage compounds the moment people trust the tool and stop checking its output. The fix is boring and it works. Scope the task tightly before you deploy. Put a cost ceiling and a human checkpoint on every agent from day 1 and measure against that twice as productive bar before you roll it out past a pilot. A NVIDIA VP said it plainly about his own team's AI spend. The cost of compute is already outrunning the cost of the people. Don't let that be your project. If you want the full governance checklist, the cost ceilings, the checkpoints, the rollout plan that keeps this from happening to your project, that's exactly what we teach at PMGTS. Start at pmgts.uk and our contact details are in the description. Subscribe for No Hype AI at Work strategy every Saturday, and I'll see you in the next one.